Welcome to this technical guide on the TP410U. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with the touch functionality on your TP410U, you're not alone. This problem can arise due to a variety of factors, including software glitches or hardware malfunctions. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device less usable and potentially causing more extensive damage. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement touch screen, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure that the device is powered off and unplugged. Using your plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the TP410U. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. Once you've removed the back cover, locate the touch screen connector. This is usually situated near the top of the device. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector latch. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, you will need to remove the screws that secure the touch screen in place. These are typically Phillips screws, so your screwdriver will come in handy. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they can be small and easy to lose. After removing the screws, lift the touch screen carefully from the device. It may be stuck due to adhesive, so a little force may be required. However, be cautious not to apply too much pressure as this can damage the underlying components. Once the screen is free, take your new touch screen and align it with the connectors, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the touch screen cable by securing the latch again. Now, reverse the process by replacing the screws and carefully putting the back cover on. Ensure everything is secure before powering on your device to check that the touch functionality is working correctly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your TP410U. To prevent this issue from happening again, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures and ensure that you're regularly updating your software. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.